All right, our last example of our reference notes, we have a demonstration to use similar figures where we're going to find the height of this tree. So it says Kyle is 6 feet tall, and so this would be Kyle right here. We'll call him Kyle. So he's 6 feet tall, and he casts a shadow that's 2.5 feet tall. So that's his shadow. The tree casts a shadow of 100 feet, and we want to figure out what's the height of the tree. Now, important to note, this is not to scale. So if this was, you would see this much, much smaller and this much, much bigger. So however, we're going to find our similar figures proportion. So we'll do line equals line. We just got to get corresponding sides here. So first thing I will do, we'll just call this for later on when we do scale factor, we'll do this as our old, and this one's our new. So as you can see here, the height of Kyle is 6, and that goes to the height of the tree, which is x, so those correspond. And then his shadow is 2.5, and that corresponds to the 100, so I'll do 2.5 corresponds to the 100. Now, you might know what 2.5 times something to be 100, but let's say you don't. Cross multiply and divide. So you get 600 equals 2.5x, and then 600 divided by 2.5 is 240. So we're going to write here, so divide each side by 2.5, divide by 2.5, and x equals 240. So the height of this tree is 240 feet. So make sure you copy that in there. So again, 6 goes to the x, the height of the tree and the height of Kyle, and the 2.5 goes to the shadow of the tree. And then you cross multiply and divide, and you get 240 feet is the height of this tree. Now, if I wanted to quickly get the scale factor, no problem. I will just do scale factor is new divided by old. I will choose, I'll choose the height of the tree. So 240 divided by the height of Kyle, which is 6. So 240 divided by 6 is 40. So the scale factor, which makes a lot of sense, so the tree is 40 times as big as Kyle. So to go from here to here, you'd have to do 6 times 40 and 2.5 times 40. That gives you the height of the tree and the shadow. And this makes me happy. I hope you have learned from these 3 videos, and that you are able to now try this example. And I want you to try to find the height of this tree. I'll pause the video here for you to do that.